Okay, we're having this one to solve for p, given that p to the power 6 is equals to this. We can assume that p is equals to 3. There is one value of p, but we have to find 6 different values of p. Okay, let's solve it. We can take it as what? P to the power 6 is the same thing as p cubed, all that square, and 3 to the power 6 is equals to what? 3 cubed, all that square. Okay, we can take it like this and solve it. Hence, we bring this one here. So will be p cubed, all that square, minus 3 cubed, all that square, equals to 0. But we know that a square minus b square, a plus b, and a minus b. We know about this. Hence, we are going to have p cubed minus 3 square minus 3 cubed, okay, is a and b, times p cubed plus 3 cubed is equals to 0. From here, you can say p cubed minus 3 cubed is equals to 0, or p cubed plus is equals to 0. Hence, you have two different things to solve directly from here. And also, we know that a cubed minus b cubed is equals to what? A plus a minus b times what? A square plus ab plus b square. Okay, we're going to use it for the first one. Hence, we are going to have p minus 3 into what? P square minus plus 3p plus 3 square, okay, equals to 0. Hence, p is equals to 3. That is one solution. We continue with p square plus 3p plus 9 equals to 0. From here, you can use the method to find for p. P is equals to what? Negative b plus minus b square 9 minus 4 into 9 square root of that all over 2a, and a is 1. From here, we know that this answer is strictly imaginary because 4 times 9 will be imaginary. That's 36. 9 minus this will be a negative number, and that will be complex. So that will see to have p is equals to what? Minus 3 plus minus. Here is 4 times 9, that is 36. 9 minus this, that will be square root of minus 27 divided by 2. Okay, and the square root of minus 27 is equals to what? I root 27. Since that will be square root of minus 1 times square root of 27, and root of minus 1 is equals to I from complex sum. Okay, we have this at this point. Hence, p is equals to 3, or p is equals to minus 3 plus minus root of 27i all over this one. These are the different values of p. We have plus and minus. Okay, in the other case, let's take for p cubed plus 3 cubed equals to 0. We know that this is equivalent to what? That is a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. Hence, we are going to have p plus 3 times what? P square plus 3 square plus 3p minus 3p, sorry. And that's what we're going to be having. Hence, equals to 0. P plus 3 equals to 0 implies p minus 3. We proceed. We're having p square plus 3 square minus 3p equals to 0. Let's solve it here. We're having p square plus 3 square. That will be just having 3p square minus 3p plus 9 equals to 0. Simplify it with the formula. P is equals to what? Negative b plus minus 3 square 9 minus 4 into 9 square root of this all over what? All over 2. That will be equals to 3 plus minus square root of this will be the same thing. That is I whole 27 divided by this one equal to 3 plus minus I whole 27 on 2. Hence, P is equal to minus 3 or this one. That is the different solution here. And this one. Hence, we come to the end of this.